Hello, in this video I want to try and resolve the parking help unavailable issue that I've got on my car. The parking module on the Giulietta is located in the boot right here. You can almost see it if you look through some vent holes down there. So what I'll need to do is remove this panel here. I'm not quite sure how to do it yet, but I'll take you along the way. So far I can only see two Phillips screws, one over here and one over here. I'll remove those two and see if I can pull the whole panel off. So removing that panel, I found another Phillips screw over here. And another one over here. So in the back here, there's a number of these pop rivets. You've got a green one down here, a white one here, another white one over there, and then you'll find the parking module right over here. Now, this seems to be connected, so what I'll do next is just look for that part number and see if I can find one on eBay or maybe something. I don't know if I can find a brand new one. So before going ahead and purchasing another module, I decided to open this one up, and you can see there's been some water getting in there, or if not water, then something definitely happened to it, because you can see, at least on this side, there's some kind of deposits on it, and if you look at the back, it's pretty badly corroded. So this module is definitely gone. I'll be ordering probably a used one off of eBay, change it, do a proxy alignment, and see how we go. With the parking module removed, I connected Multyecuscan tool and did a proxy alignment, and what that did is basically it removed the functionality of the parking sensors because it noticed that there is no parking module. So I don't get the error telling me that parking assist is not available because it already removed that functionality. So when I get the new module, I will connect it, and hopefully I'll be able to do another proxy alignment. It will recognize the module and it will give me the parking sensor functionality once more. So it's cold and dark again, but I have the eBay purchased module plugged back in, and I've got the old one there just for display. Since I removed the module, I did have to put everything back sort of in place because I was using the car and I needed the seats up. But what I'm gonna do next is basically get the Multyecuscan tool plugged into the car and do another proxy alignment to see if the parking sensors start working again. I'm now plugged in. I've got the Giulietta selected. I've got the body module. I'm gonna click on proxy alignment. Click connect. It will say connect adapter 3, which is yellow. I have that connected, so I'll just click yes. Need the ignition on first.
Like measles and whooping cough. And they...
Try connect again. So I think it was failing to connect because I did not look at the interface. So I can select COM3 or I can scan for interfaces. So this should show up the card that's connected. Completed. We can see we have a port connected. Click OK. Try again. Yellow adapter, yes. So it works. Now you can see it says parking sensor node added. When I had the old one connected before I did the proxy alignment, it showed removed because it assumed it was removed because it could not communicate with it. So with this being added, I go to adjustments and then execute a proxy alignment. I have read all of those before when I've done it, so I am comfortable with clicking yes. This will take a while. So as you saw at the end there, it said airbag node failed to connect. Now that's a bit concerning, and I don't know exactly why that happens. I don't have any airbag lights on the dash. The only thing that I think could trigger it is the fact that the seat belts in the back, when there's no one sitting on them, it shows as red and the middle one is green. So I'm not sure if there's an issue. When I do, so all three of them are disconnected now, but when I connect the two rear passenger ones, they all go green. So I'm not quite sure what's happening there, but we'll key off, key on, start the car, reverse, and see if I have parking sensors now. So as I'm trying to understand that failure to connect to the airbag module, I'm not quite sure why it's showing that error when I do the proxy alignment, because I am able to connect to the Bosch airbag module, so I have all the information there. There are no fault codes. There's a bunch of parameters. I don't actually know what to monitor here, so I won't make any changes, and they're all connected. There's no errors on any of them, and there's just this one actuator, so I'm not quite sure what's happening there, but I'll just check to see if the parking sensors work, and if they do, that means the proxy alignment was completed successfully. So this is key back on after the proxy alignment. Engine on. Reverse, and there we go. We've got the sensors working. And they work. I think this was a success. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'll be trying to do a few more videos on the Alfa Romeo Giulietta if there's interest in it. If you have enjoyed it, please click a like, and I'll see you again in the next video.